Hey folks, the Desert Artist here. I am here today showing you how to remove a possible threat to your home. There are things in your home that you may wonder, how do I keep getting these things in here? How do spiders keep getting in my home? How do mice keep getting in my home? And other varmints of similar size and pesky nature. I'm going to show you a couple places that I have just come into noticing because, well, I'm doing something that a lot of people don't enjoy doing, is replacing their ceiling fans. So I am going to be replacing my ceiling fan in my kitchen, and there's a couple threats. Let me show you. As you can see, there's a couple vulnerabilities. But I just wanted to share with you all. There might be other similar vulnerabilities, such as sunken kitchen lights and stuff, that, you know, if you can stick your pinky through it, I'm sure that the mouse can get through right on through there. So some things to be watchful for when you're doing home repairs. Now I hear that the rectification way to fix that would be to stuff those with steel wool. I don't know if a mouse is going to want to pull that out and say, hey, what's in that hole? But I don't know if that mouse has that cognitive brain capacity. So there it is. Todd's tip for the day. Hey, you guys have a great day. This is Desert Artist. I'm out of here.